You walk into the kitchen, stop, and realize you have absolutely no idea why you came in. Then you walk back into the other room and suddenly, oh, right! Which raises an obvious question. Did the doorway just delete your thought? Not exactly, but the doorway may be doing something much more interesting. Your brain doesn't experience life as one endless stream. It automatically breaks it into events. Making coffee is one event, answering an email is another, walking into a new room can signal new scene. And every time the scene changes, your brain updates what information is useful right now. Think of it like your brain keeping a little mental workspace open for the current moment. You're in the bedroom and think, I need my charger. That goal is sitting right there in the workspace. Then you cross into the kitchen, new room, new sights, new context. Your brain updates the scene, and the old goal can suddenly become harder to access. The memory isn't necessarily gone, it just became less available when the context changed. Which explains something really strange. Walking back can sometimes help. The old room brings back some of the cues that belong to the original thought. It can feel like the room gave you the memory back. But here's the better part. Your brain doesn't need an actual doorway to do this. Switching tasks can create a new mental scene too. Ever unlock your phone to do one thing, notice a message, and 30 seconds later forget why you picked up the phone? Same basic idea. Your brain moved into a new event, and the old intention lost its place at the front of the queue. So the doorway isn't secretly wiping your memory. It's helping your brain organize a continuous life into manageable little chapters. Usually that system is useful. Occasionally it leaves you standing in the kitchen staring at a spoon with absolutely no plan. Your brain didn't lose the plot, it just started a new scene. If you like finding the hidden logic behind ordinary things, subscribe and stick around. There's a lot more hiding in plain sight.